I'm often asked what past accident case best reflects how I represent clients. And I'd have to say that that's a great question, but before I answer specifically, I'd like to talk about the fact that in all personal injury cases, my attitude is I enjoy doing it because in many cases I feel that we get a chance to represent the underdog. My approach has always been that my clients are the underdog because we're going against billion-dollar insurance companies. Basically in all these cases, the insurance companies take the position that they have all the resources, they have in-house counsel, they have trained adjusters, and that they can take these small law firms that go up against them and devalue the claims or minimize the injuries or the claims of people who say they were involved in an auto accident. I take the position that my clients in every one of these cases should have the opportunity to get what they're entitled to get what's fair. Nothing more than what's fair, but that's the position we take in every case. And in almost every case, I would say that if I actually ask my clients, in all the large injury cases especially, if you could go back and not have this accident, would you forego the money? And the answer is almost always yes. Two cases that actually do come to mind were both cases that I think represent how our firm operates. One of which was a non-English speaking client who was Chinese. He was ejected from a bus, a Peter Pan bus. The case ultimately was resolved for $550,000. In another case, very similar, $7,000 in medicals. It went to federal court, and I got a jury verdict of $250,000. In both of these cases, the insurance companies argued that because my clients spoke no English, they would make terrible witnesses. And in both the cases, like almost the hundreds of cases I have in this office, I argued that I believe in the jury system, and that I believe in the fact that at the end of the day, a judge, a jury, or an insurance company should evaluate the case based on the client's injuries, not based on the fact they don't speak great English or little English, and that really a jury or a judge will see through that, and that defense is just corporate America's way of trying to deny people what they're entitled to. And I think over the course of time, that is the nature of what we do, and our results year after year show that we are able to represent people from all different communities and get them what's fair.